The plan today is to make a bucket, like a gravel bucket for my four-wheeler, which I've been wanting to do for a while. And well, hopefully I can make it for free and without too much work. I don't need that thing every day, but these days I do. And I do have those water heaters that's been laying there for a long time. So I'm planning to cut this one and actually use the bucket this way, which is not very intuitive, but the structure is all there pretty much, pretty strong this way. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect, but it should make it easier to move gravel around, which I need. I'm building a garage now, so it's just that part. The spider's been. I might have to weld a bracket here, but if I can avoid welding, that would save me a couple hours of mainly setup. It's not, especially that my welder, I need an outlet. Anyway, so let's cut this one first. Guess I'll cut it longer than shorter. I'm not sure what the four-wheeler probably can't handle that much, but I'm gonna cut it right here. Is that enough?